contributes to the sport.
Yeah, you gotta give this nigga a little fake A card. He's gonna make all these niggas feel.
He always participates. Always. Never not participates.
Jeremy.
Fucking guy's my age, bro. He's fucking. He's jogging.
His name is Grits.
His name is Adam Bleach. What's up, Jose? You hungry today? Going forward. I know you do. Let's go over there and fuck them people up.
Nah. That's too
you're too cold.
To warm up there for over there. You just want me to... You gotta give yourself a little something.
This can end right now. This can end right now. Oh, Mike, we got next here on the first court. Mike!
Oh, shit! Punk's punking motherfucker.
You do me, Ice. It's done already.
Oh my god. The body.
He's not going to ball.
Too humid? It's like 70 degrees and shit.
I got another pool.
Like 70 degrees.
There should be a new rule. If you can see the ball, and you can, yeah, if you can see the ball, and you can see the ball, we should not be making no goals.
Last
Give them the benefit of the doubt. Yeah, it's okay.
That's the only one in there right now.
So I'm like, why do you have to use like trying to make it seem like they don't know what's going on? Like you understand the sport, you don't know what's going on.
You need a ref.
No, not even. Just never played that game at all.
That's those big blocks, bro. I used to say
Yo, he's supposed to go. That's why I run for the
I
shot.
said, I used to say hold it, yo. Watching fucking Jose and shit. Justin's videos, bro. Walking down the balls coming. I'll point that out to you in the video. We're having a whole discussion about it.
No, I know. It's not.
No, it's true, man. I think it's alright.
5'6".
Bro,
80%. 80%. And the rest, Chris.
More drinking than smoking.
Told you.
Told the boy, tell him. 70%.
Bro, there's people rolling right now and shit.
He's different.
Wait, huh?
No, why you doing it?
Me? I'm the best, nigga. No. I'm dead.
if I scared you, my nigga, I'm sorry.
No, you're good, though.
Nah. Get my ready pressure, bro. I'm sorry.
I'll do that.
I'm so sorry.
You're good as well.
But it's blasting you like this. Put it back on the low. You can't kill it if you push. Nobody's not gonna help you. We ain't do nothing, man.
Well, box out.
We ain't do nothing, man.
I'll step into people's shots on their swing.
We ain't do nothing, man. He didn't do nothing.
Bro, he's blasting it at me.
No way. Yo, Brooklyn, please.
For you? Hell
Hey,
no.
nigga, do something with yourself.
Hell no.
Thank you.
Bro, hot as fuck. No, it's not.
Ducks. Oh, pass.
87.
87.
That was crazy. On the second down.
Thank you. Really on the double bounce?
9-10. Look.
They didn't deserve it.
Check to me if he's honest. No. Going? 10-7.
Yes, you do, my brother. You do.
2-7.
Where's that me?
7-2.
17. Fucking duck!
Thank you.
Good left.
Oh, my bad.
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay.
No, it's not that. I'm not scared. You want like that?
Search first.
Wait, where's you at? Wait, guys,
Hey!
easy, man. No, you're gonna slip. I don't slip. I see your shoes. How'd you score, right? Nobody scored. 2-8. 8-2. That was this. I'm sweating bad right now. 82%.
Right back to the bounce.
Second man, 8-2.
Backfired on you, Matt. I'm gonna get a point.
How to pick you up?
Yo, 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 yo. Nah, don't box me in.
You tell them to move afterwards.
Giants don't take days off. Neither does DraftKings. We never stop working to bring you the best betting experience possible. With the #1 sportsbook for live betting.
7.
Still moving that water by the leaders. Put a little hummus on the niggas, get them heated. No king, still a leader followed by the meter. What's the point of throwing on your joint shit? Homie came home and trying to figure it out. It's like his mind is still in there, but my nigga is out. Damn, shit switch, he can't really breathe in this thin air. Saddest part is, he probably better off than there. You can try waiting, or you can die hating. Down, get your head tapped, shot clock violation. It ain't really written to you, right? And they say affiliation can get you a night. What numbers, but the niggas ain't unite. I can't show your hand and turn around and try to hide. Yeah, you know me, you know me. I do it for my homies, but I do it by my own.
Late nights hanging in jokes. Had to get it out, they started to shit that they wouldn't. It's me and my lonely. Nobody just sold me. Got a lot of people walking in the jungle at night. Don't need nobody in my corner. I got my lines. We just me and my lonely. Ain't nobody just sold me.
Still the cold deliver.
That would have been a great shot, but that was my leg.
Wait, hold on.
BG Fields was popping.
380.
Look, let me tell you some crazy shit. No lie, I'm in a dilemma. I just see my man Shorty with an ex, they hopped out a Sprinter. And my man doing time, so this whole time he thought she was a winner. But she still hold him down, of course, cause he give her paper like printers. So I'm asking my man, like, what should I do? Do you think I should tell her? He like, I'm like, nigga, it's her. I know cause I met her. And I know he gon' call me, so I should tell him so he could go get her.
So you really gonna tell him the truth?
Well, someone gotta tell him, he gotta do better. So when he call, let him know.
What? Nah, you let him know.
Why, nigga, you scared?
Nah, you know you ain't know.
You know he gonna be mad. I ain't trying to tell bro.
Now that's bullshit. You can't put it all on me now. That's your man too. You can't stole him around.
If I tell him he gonna put both in the class.
Oh shit. There's some calling me now, yo.
This is a quickly power phone.
This thing.
Remember that the county correctional facilities are all phone calls are subject to recording and monitoring to define the actual entity your call has been accepted.
Yo, what's poppin', huh?
Why are you watching it? He missed hit the shit because he chopped my face. He didn't want to call it because it hit the wall.
What's the
You
good
let him
news?
fucking get it.
Wait, what?
Oh, nah. You ain't get scared.
That's the buzzing.
I don't think you can hear me.
Rolling up a stogie while she let the oldies play. Handball, doing no race. She cool with John, but she wanna be a Taylor gang. We can do a million things. We can pack it up and slow in the plane. We can take it like she in a plane train. Show you how the lifestyle we live. We can have a little baby. Take you to the river, do some sweet things. Nobody has a G.R.B. You fuck me like a 5-star free.
One game.
We can take a bus in your train. Show you how my lifestyle these days. We can have a little baby. Take you to the river, do some free things. You fuck me like a 5-star free. Now she starting to dress like me, wearing Rick instead of Nike. She working out, we doing yoga and hiking. Grown as hell, so we spend our time wisely. But still down for a rock star night, where I'll let you pick a bad bitch to slide with. We can smoke weed all night, go back to the yacht and play my shit. It's game, you know what the vibes is. We can do things, we can take it up and down in the baby, you love a decent car, man. I'll be a Paul if I'm standing in
Finale right there, Bradley. Bradley, that was the finale right there. That was the
He wants to be a bitch every time the surgery good, just go fucking
just won't give me a pay. I've been trying to relax. Maybe have myself a little drink, but then maybe come bitching about how I need to fix the sink. You just won't let up as I be trying to lay on my head. Talking some shit about people who money for real gas. Yeah, baby, you need to put that bitch on. The end of that baby, you know, sometimes I be throwing you a slap. But every song, that's how you show up in that trap.
Let's go, Vic.
About to give myself a once and
Everybody.